What would you do if the voice of the Almighty shattered your silence and told you to leave everything you've ever known? I was a man of comfort, surrounded by family, wealth, and the gods of my fathers. Yet my heart was restless. Then his voice came, not a whisper of men, nor the chants of idols, but a presence, vast, eternal. It pierced me. Leave your country, your people, and your father's household. To the land I will show you. Leave everything, but where? He gave me no map, no name of a land, only a promise. He said, I will make you into a great nation. I will bless you. I will make your name great, and you will be a blessing. I was childless, old, my wife barren, and yet the Almighty spoke of nations. Could it be true? Could dust rise into life? Could barren soil become rivers? Every step away from Ur was a step into the unknown. My people begged me to stay. My father's idols seemed to glare as if I betrayed them. I carried only faith, and even that wavered. What if I had misunderstood his voice? In Canaan, the land he showed me, famine struck. No grain, no water. Was this the blessing? Hunger clawed at us. My men looked at me with questions I could not answer. Had I led my family into death? We went down to Egypt, where food overflowed. But fear grew in me. My wife Sarah, beautiful even in her age, I feared men would kill me for her. Fear, not faith, shaped my lips as I called her my sister. He struck Pharaoh's house with plagues because of me, because of my weakness. Yet even in my failure, God's hand shielded his promise. He restored Sarah. He led us out richer than we entered. Even in shame, his covenant stood. Why choose me, a man so frail? I built an altar to the Lord. There I knelt, lifting empty hands to heaven. No armies, no sons, no land truly mine, only his word. Yet in that moment, his word was enough. Could this barren soil truly one day flow with nations? Each day, I walk by faith, not sight. Each sunrise whispers the promise again. Nations, descendants, as numerous as the dust beneath my sandals, the stars above my head. But still, no child. Still, strangers in the land. Still, questions that echo in the night. Yet I believe, for I have seen his hand move storms, silence kings, and guide my steps when all seemed lost. His voice is my compass, his promise, my breath. And if he is faithful in the unseen, he will be faithful in the promise. My story began with a call to leave the familiar and step into the unknown with God. Maybe he is calling you too. What is he asking you to leave behind? What promise is he whispering over your life? Walk by faith, not by sight. And if this story moved you, share your thoughts below and subscribe for more biblical stories brought to life.